Hi and welcome. My name is Rachel Edwards, a fourth year biochemistry and molecular biology student of UHAS at the School of Biomedical Sciences. Today, we are going to talk about a very common and often condition that affects most reproductive age females. Do you ever feel menstrual cramps take over your life for a few days? In this video, we are going to talk about dysmenorrhea, which is often referred to as painful menstruation. We are going to look at some types and some associated symptoms. We are also going to look at the pathophysiology of the pain and, most importantly, some basic lifestyle changes you can make to reduce your pain or discomfort. So stay tuned. Dysmenorrhea, which is also referred to as painful menstruation, is a medical condition that is associated with severe and frequent pain during and before the menstruation. While some discomforts may be common during the pain, dysmenorrhea is a pain that is significant enough to interfere with daily activity. There are two types of dysmenorrhea. We have the primary dysmenorrhea and secondary dysmenorrhea. Primary dysmenorrhea is a painful menstruation which is not caused by an underlying reproductive or pelvic diseases. It just results from high production of prostaglandins, which cause the uterine muscles to contract frequently, leading to pain, typically at the lower abdomen and back, along with some symptoms such as nausea, bloating, headaches, and fatigue. Secondary dysmenorrhea, on the other hand, is a painful menstruation which is caused by an underlying reproductive disorder such as endometriosis, adenomyosis, pelvic inflammatory diseases, and fibroids. Pain can be progressive and occur outside the menstruation, sometimes starting days before and lasting longer than usual cramps. Some associated symptoms include heavy bleeding, pain during intercourse, fever with pain which may indicate an infection. Now, pathophysiology of dysmenorrhea. Primary dysmenorrhea is believed to cause by overproduction of prostaglandins. These are hormone-like fatty acids that act locally within the body to regulate numerous physiological processes such as pain, inflammation, muscle contraction, and the menstrual cycle. These hormones are synthesized through the arachidonic pathway, where an enzyme known as phospholipase A2 acts on the membrane phospholipase to release these arachidonic acids, and these acids are then converted into prostaglandins G2 by the enzyme cyclooxygenase. Now, same enzymes through its peroxidase activities reduce these prostaglandins G2 into prostaglandins H2. Now, prostaglandins H2 is a central precursor from which various types of prostaglandins such as prostaglandins E2 and prostaglandin F2 alpha and other alkaloids produced to perform different functions in the body. In the case of menstruation, overproduction of prostaglandin, particularly the prostaglandins F2 alpha, cause the uterine muscles to contract more strongly and frequently, leading to pain. Now, vasopressin and leukotrienes may also contribute to the pain by causing uterine muscle contraction and blood vessel constriction, which then deprives the uterine muscles from oxygen. The pain is typically most severe in the first 2 days of the menstruation, where uterine contraction is most prominent. Secondary dysmenorrhea, on the other hand, is caused by reproductive disorders such as endometriosis, where there is an abnormal tissue growth outside the uterus, and also fibroids and pelvic inflammatory diseases and lifestyle changes. One way one can go about her pains to reduce menstruation periods, pain, or discomfort is through dietary adjustment. Now, it is believed that foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as sardines, salmon, flax seeds, can reduce the production of prostaglandin. Vegetables and fruits such as berries and leafy greens, tomatoes, and pineapple are also packed with vitamins and antioxidants to fight against free radical stress-related conditions that may contribute to the pain. Also, limiting or avoiding processed foods, caffeine, and salty products can also reduce the pain. Another way one can also go about to reduce the pain is through exercise. Yoga and stretching poses such as cat cow, child pose, seated forward fold can help stretch and relax the uterine muscles to reduce the pain. Also, applying hot pads across the abdomen and the lower back can help reduce the pain. Also, getting well rested and well hydrated can help you reduce your pain. In our next video, we are going to talk about how cyclooxygenase enzymes can be targeted in the pharmacological process. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Also, click the notification button for more educative and healthy content like this. Bye.